Hi guys, completable future is very important for interview as well as for project perspective. Okay, why? Because it supports asynchronous functional programming. It came in Java 8, but why completable future? Because we can't able to chain multiple features together. If we have to stop certain thread being executed because it is taking a lot of time to return the data, so that was not possible with features. So completable feature came into picture. So in that, basically there are a lot of inbuilt methods that you can make use of to make your life easier. Okay, so now you don't have to be very much fearful or worry like how we can solve such a big multi-threaded application. So I've seen students who is facing a lot of fear within it, like how can I work on projects involving multi-threaded applications. So they were becoming very much fearful while starting any kind of project work. But let me tell you, it's very much simple with Java 8. Okay, with the help of completable feature, you can not only just fetch millions of records by separating it into chunks or batches. Okay, and with the help of completable feature, you can do it very easily with lesser code. Or if you want to process multiple tasks together, that also is possible with completable feature. So let me tell you on one aspect. Like first scenario is, let's suppose there are two tasks which are dependent on each other. Okay, so let's suppose a customer is coming and is registering itself, and after registering only customer can buy certain product. So there is a dependency of buying product by a given customer after customer ID is generated. So these two tasks are related with each other. So how can you make it do with the help of completable feature with multiple threads? Okay, so there is inbuilt method in completable feature to handle that. Yeah, dot then compose method is there. With the help of that, you can combine two tasks which are dependent on each other to work parallelly via asynchronous functional programming. So this is for dependent task. So let's suppose there are two tasks which are independent of each other. Okay, so let's suppose one task is handling customer information, another task is handling some email related information. So both tasks are not related with each other. So how can you make those two tasks work independently via two threads? So that is possible with one method, inbuilt method of completable feature, that is dot then combine. So if you make use of dot then combine method, so basically it will help you execute those two tasks which are independent of each other. Okay, but let's suppose there are more than two tasks. There is another method called all of method. Okay, so basically you have to write first completable feature dot supply async. So whatever business logic you have to perform, you can write it over there. So after taking the reference of that, let's suppose there are 5-10 references you have created. You can do it in one single line as well, but for readability you can create multiple references. And if there are like more than two completable feature references that you have to combine and those are independent of each other, then best way to do is via all of method.